Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic Wafers, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this completely free app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to, and when you're finished, click at the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, select the Save Wallpaper, tap on Settings over here and choose OK. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!